A very good morning to boys and girls of class 3. I hope you all are doing great at home. Okay, and enjoying the weather too. It's a beautiful weather outside. So, we were doing I asked the little boy who cannot see. So, we did the story yesterday and we came to know that the little boy who cannot see was using all the other sense organs to enjoy the nature, to appreciate the beauty. We will read once more the poem. That is, I asked the little boy who cannot see, and what is color like? Why, green, said he, is like the rustle when the wind blows through the forest. Running water that is blue, and red is like a trumpet sound, and pink is like the smell of roses, and I think the purple must be like a thunderstorm, and yellow is like something soft and warm, and white is a pleasant stillness when you lie and dream. There is no poet of this poem. You have to only read and learn the poem. That's it. Today we will move on to page number 27. We'll move on to page number 27. This is the second portion of the book that is written perfect. See? Yes, you will do this in your book itself. See, I have written already here. I have written already here in book. In book. Number A. You write CW and today's date. A. Unscramble. That is, jumble words are given. Okay? You have to put them into right order. Unscramble these letters to find the name of various colors. So there are colors name given. You have to unscramble and write. IHWET. White. Yes. Number 2, brown. BROWN. Yes. Number 3, correct. The way the boy sees it as the rustle of the leaves. Yes, green. This you eat as a fruit also. Orange, correct. ORANGE. Number 5, REYG. Yes, you all are correct. It's gray, and I have written the answer below also. See. Number 6, color of the thunderstorm. PURPLE. Number 7, black. BLACK. The color of your hair, everyone, and your school shoes also. Number 8, pink. PINK. According to the boy in the poem, pink is the color of the roses. Or pink is when he can smell roses, he thinks that it's pink in color. Okay, you write the words here in the blanks given, everyone, this. And number B and C we will do in the copy. Let's open your CW copy. Everybody open your CW copy. Write CW, write today's date, and write down English literature. It's the same process which you have followed for Peter Enters the Garden. Your CW copy will exactly be like this, and you will write and leave one line and write. You can use cursive handwriting, or you can do it in print handwriting like me, but it should be neat. Whatever you do, it should be neat. English literature, chapter 3. I asked the little boy who cannot see. Okay, you will write English literature, chapter number, and name of the chapter. Number 1, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. Let's see. So it's like see, he. through, blue. Pink, think, correct. Thunderstorm, warm. So we got 4 pairs. Let us see. See. Through, blue. Pink, think. See, he. Thunderstorm, warm. What are rhyming words? When one letter rhymes with the other, like its sound is similar, sound is same. The meaning is not the same, correct? Only the sound is same. Pink, think. Ink, ink. That sound is similar. When the sound is same, we call it rhyming words. Through, blue. Pink, think. See, he. Thunderstorm, warm. In the following chapters, whatever we do, we'll do more of rhyming words. Okay? It's fun. We move on to next. This is question number 2. List all the similes used in the poem. And now what are similes? Similes are nothing. It is comparison. Okay? We compare the bright sun with yellow color. Okay, what we say, the sun is as yellow as the sun is as bright as yellow. So we compare the yellow color with the brightness of the sun. So it's comparison. Correct? So we will list it out now. The list of the similes used in the poem are, see, I've written the meaning similes above this word. See, compare. You also write it with a pencil. The list of the similes used in the poem are, number 1, green is like the rustle of the wind. This is according to the boy, completely according to the boy. This similes can change from person to person because everybody will not compare the same. Okay? Red is like the trumpet sound. Pink is like the smell of roses. Purple is like the thunderstorm. Yellow is like something soft and warm. White is like dream and calmness. You will put dot points and write this. Done? And you will do the homework in the CW copy itself. You don't need to do it somewhere else. That is number 3. Make sentences. A, color. B, forest. C, roses. D, dream. Okay? So, thank you everyone. I will repeat the make sentences one more. Color, forest, roses and dream. Thank you everyone. You will do the homework in the copy itself and you will make small sentences and simple sentences, nothing complicated. Okay, and you will do it. Don't take help of your parents or friends or anybody. Okay, thank you everyone. We'll come back tomorrow with something new. Bye bye.